Welcome to installing vCenter. Go ahead and right-click to mount your ISO. Go to VCSA CLI UI Installer, Win32, and click on installer.exe. Then, select Install. Accept the terms on the bottom. Enter your ESXi server, where you will install the vCenter. Plug in your ESXi login and password, then accept the certificate and click Next. Now name your virtual vCenter server that you are creating, assign a good password, and continue. Try not to use the same password as the ESX server. This password needs to be complex, so come up with a good one. Click Next. Select Tiny. Notice that the minimum storage space is 579 gigabytes. Next, if you have multiple data stores, choose the correct one. Select Thin Provisioning to save on space. The top choice is one of your networks. Choose the appropriate one. Configure your IP for the vCenter and subnet and gateway and DNS. Now verify your configuration before moving forward. If everything looks good, then move forward, finish. Stage 1 installation will take some time, so be patient, but if it does not start in 3 minutes, there is a problem. You can open your ESX server where it is installing onto and view the progress of the installation. This installation is accelerated for the video. You can see the progress here. There is the progress bar again. Looks like it is almost done now. It shows up as a virtual server before the whole installation is completed. There it is in blue. It is complete. Okay, to continue to stage 2, you will log in as per the link that shows on your Blue vCenter virtual server. This is another way that the stage 1 installation can end up also. As you can see, this is the preferred ending of stage 1. Click to continue to stage 2 installation. Now we are in stage 2. Click Next. You can choose to synchronize your time here, either with the ESX host or a time server called NTP. Also enable SSH Secure Shell. Next. You can choose a domain name or just use the default, and then select a good password for the administrator's account. Make it complex. Skip the SSO domain. Let's keep this lab simple for now. Okay, that looks good that way. Let's move on. Let's use the default domain name. If you select Join SSO, this is what you will have to fill out. So let's skip the SSO option. Click Next. Click Next again. Deselect and Next. Verify all your settings, then click Finish. This warning is telling you to make sure you do not interrupt the process. Click OK and it begins. Stage 2 will take some time, but not as long as Stage 1. Alright, we are done here. Remember that URL, you will use that to log into your vCenter.